Namaste everyone, this is Dr. Pratibha K.S, Head Department of Biotechnology at KLA Society's S. Nijarengappa College, Rajayanagar, Bengaluru. Today I am before you to present Bangalore University Model Question Paper, 4th semester Personal Development, that is, which comes under the non-core paper. Okay, this is a question paper of May 2017. This question paper is applicable to 4th semester BA, BSc, BCom, BBA, BCA, BSCW or BSc FAT students. Okay, this version code you must write in your OMR once you receive. Then question booklet serial number also you must write in the OMR sheet. Okay, this is the maximum marks, that is 70. Time allowed that is 3 hours. Okay, here you can see the instruction to candidates. You can go through all these instructions before writing the this particular answer. Here, choose the best option. Each question carries 1 mark. So this is part A. Okay, 40 questions will be asked. Each 40 questions carries 1 mark. So total 40 marks. So here, time management is important. You need to choose the right answer. Okay, A, only to forgetful person, only to busy person, to avoid wastage of time, none of the above. I'm not giving answer, you need to find out. Second one, tools used by a person to properly manage time. To-do list, action programs, effective file management, all the above. Answers are given in another video. Time stress cannot be managed by to-do list, setting priorities, action program, thinking about an action. Fourth question, not a trait of good leader. Proactive, inspire, influence, than dictator. Fifth question, ability to influence and align others towards a common purpose is teamwork, motivation, leadership, or management. An ideal leader's character includes honesty, cooperativeness, competency, all the above. Leadership may be formal, informal, both, or none of the above. Leadership skills are human skills, conceptual skills, technical skills, all the above. A priority is an action or intention that takes precedence, the most desirable goal, the goal you accomplish first in any given way, the most beneficial goal. Next question. People who are confident in themselves are dash in leadership and sales positions. Emotionally insecure, more effective, less effective, more dissatisfied. There are dash steps in the goal setting process. 2, 3, 4 or 5. Okay, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. You can make out. ಗುರಿ ರಚನೆಯ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಹಂತಗಳಿವೆ. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you can also read in Kannada and you can answer. 12th question. Wandering generally refers to. Wandering generality refers to poor essay writing, someone without a goal or set direction, a flexible and realistic goal setting strategy, a specific course of action. One of the next question, 13th. One of the main aims of creativity in advertising is to gain attention, awareness, brand loyalty, than interest. 14th question. E.L. Brad and West present a paper in the journal Advertising Research which examines which of the following: creating effective advertising, defining advertising creativity, advertising message appeals, copywriting and art direction. Creativity, next 5th question. Creativity is the driver and prerequisite. Innovative outcomes, goal settings, time management, all the above. I think this is prerequisite. Then characters, 16th question. Characteristics of creativity includes universal and innate, produces something new, wide scope, all the above. Creativity, 17 questions. Creativity is used in arts and fine arts, science, A and B both, none of the above. 18 question. Personality factors influencing creativity includes interest and curiosity, dedication and devotion, both A and B, D, communities. 19 question. Values connected with solitary to community is termed as individual, collective, intrinsic, instrumental. 20th question. Barriers to creativity are attitude, perceptions, employees, above all. 21st question. Characteristics of innovation are measurability, fund requirement, immeasurable, both A and B. 22nd question. Valuing your thoughts and yourself makes you option A, confident, option B, assertive, option C, superior, option D, dominant. 23rd question. Saha Hastitva means coexistence or cooperation, co-option, corporate identity. 24th question. Many human values seen good or right due to positive feelings, internal happiness, natural acceptance, all of these. 25th question. Communicating with others by gestures, actions, etc. is an example of verbal communication, action communication, non-verbal communication, or none of these. 26th question. Dash is communicating values, ideas, beliefs, opinions, needs, and wants. Option A, possessiveness, B, positiveness, C, assertiveness, D, receptiveness. 27th question. The ability to accurately receive and interpret messages in the process of communication is called listening, talking, writing, and none of these. You need to choose any one answer. Okay, in the examination hall, you'll get this space for your rough work. If you want, you can do all that rough work. Okay, but nowadays, you should not write anything on the question paper. So you avoid writing anything on your question paper. Though they have written here, but you should not write anything on your question paper in the examination hall. 28th question. Dash plays a vital role in the success of an individual. Stress management, stress, awareness, or problem. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯ ಯಶಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಕಾರಣ. ಒತ್ತಡ ನಿರ್ವಹಣೆ, ಒತ್ತಡ, ಅರಿವು ಅಥವಾ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ. 29th question. Working with others to identify, define, and solve problems is known as trouble creating, troubleshooting, negotiation, problem solving. 30th question. The ability to pick one solution where positive outcome can outweigh possible losses is called negotiation skills, planning skills, decision-making skills, organizing skill. 31st question. Logic and reasoning are key to responding to message understanding, receiving a message, critical listening. Next question, 32nd question. The feedback under oral communication will be very slow, moderate, immediate, or no feedback. 33rd question. Leadership roles first emerge in interpersonal communication, small group communication, face-to-face public communication, none of these. 34th question. The process of successfully influencing the activities of a group towards achievements of common goal is leadership, subordination, neither A or B. The last one option, both A and B. 35th question. Interpersonal skills are referred to as social skills, people skills, soft skills, or all of these. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಸ್ಪರ ಕೌಶಲ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ಉಲ್ಲೇಖಿಸಲಾಗುವುದು. ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಕೌಶಲ್ಯ, ಜನರ ಕೌಶಲ್ಯ, ಮೃದು ಕೌಶಲ್ಯ, ಮೇಲಿನ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. 36th question. The letter S in SMART stands for special, specific, social, or scientific. 37th question. The letter M in SMART stands for meaningful, meeting, measurable, and money. 38th question. The letter A in SMART stands for action, attitude, achievable, arrogant. 39th question. An observable and measurable end result to be achieved is called vision, mission, goal, and result. Any one answer you need to choose. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅಳೆಯಬಹುದಾದ ಅಂತಿಮ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶ ಸಾಧಿಸುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಹೇಳಬಹುದು: ದೂರದರ್ಶಿತ್ವ, ಧ್ಯೇಯೋದ್ದೇಶ, ಗುರಿ ಅಥವಾ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶ. 40ನೇ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. Goal setting enables more utilization of resources, optimum utilization of resources, less utilization of resources, none of the above. Okay, up to 40, each question carries 1 mark. Now this is part B, Vibhaga B. Choose the best opinion. Each question carries 2 marks. So now onwards, from here you are going to get 15 questions. Each 15 question carries 2 marks. So this is 30. 41. By goal setting, one can option improve self-confidence, lose ability, make friends, all the above. ಓಕೆ, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗುರಿ ರಚಿಸುವುದರಿಂದ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯೊಬ್ಬನ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಪರಿಣಾಮಗಳಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ 4 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಸುಧಾರಣೆಯಾಗುತ್ತದೆ, ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯವನ್ನು ಕಳೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು, ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರನ್ನು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು, ಮೇಲಿನ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ನೀವು ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನ ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ OMR ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಪಟ್ಟಿಲಿ ಏನೋ, ಬಿನೋ, ಸಿನೋ, ಡಿನ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ನ. 42nd question. Priority of 3 activities includes applying for financial aid, picking up a child from daycare, attending classes, or alphabetizing your class cassette tapes. 43rd question. I want to raise my grade in maths to A. This goal is specific, unimagnitude, impossible, not very interesting. 44th question. Most important human values are cooperation, caring, honesty, all these or all of these. 45th question. Importance of self-awareness is awareness of your body, awareness of your thoughts, none of these, D, both A and B. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಯಂ ಅರಿವಿನ ಮಹತ್ವವೆಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ದೇಹದ ಅರಿವು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಲೋಚನೆಗಳ ಅರಿವು, ಮೇಲಿನ ಯಾವುವೂ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಕೊನೆಯ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿ. ಸೊ ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ಎರಡು. 46th question. First step in goal setting is identifying your goals, need analysis, list objectives, or create plan of actions. 47th question. The purpose of value education is to foster in universal core values, make the syllabus easy, develop values in individuals, both A and C. 48th question. Autocratic leadership style means leader has complete power, opinion of the group is not taken, discussion is not allowed, all of the or all the above. 49th question. Each of these are one of the 7 competency characteristics of effective leader except drive, intelligence, self-confidence, or authority. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಿಣಾಮಕಾರಿ ನಾಯಕನ 7 ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಾತ್ಮಕ ಲಕ್ಷಣಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಯಾವುದು ಸೇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ? ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ, ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತಿಕೆ, ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಮತ್ತು ಅಧಿಕಾರ. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು 4ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇಡ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ನ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. 50th ಕ್ವೆಶನ್, ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ರೆಫರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಮೈಂಡ್, ಬಾಡಿ, ಕಾಲೇಜ್, ಟೀಚರ್. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಧ್ಯಾನವು ಈ ಕೆಳಗಿನದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದ್ದಾಗಿದೆ: ಮನಸ್ಸು, ದೇಹ, ಕಾಲೇಜು, ಟೀಚರ್. 51 ಕ್ವೆಶನ್, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್? ಎ, ಲಾಫಿಂಗ್, ಬಿ, ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್, ಸಿ, ಲಿಸ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್, ಡಿ, ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದೀಸ್. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಒತ್ತಡ ನಿರ್ವಹಣೆಯ ಉತ್ತಮ ವಿಧಾನಗಳೆಂದರೆ ನಗುವಿಕೆ, ಆಟವಾಡುವುದು, ಸಂಗೀತ ಆಲಿಸುವಿಕೆ, ಮೇಲಿನ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. 52nd ಕ್ವೆಶನ್, ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಥಿಕಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆರ್ trustworthiness, respect, responsibility, all of these. 53rd question, creativity rests on divergent thinking, convergent thinking, both A and B, D, innovation. Okay, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೃಜನಶೀಲತೆಯ ಅಥವಾ ಸೃಜನಶೀಲತೆಯು ಇದರ ಅವಲಂಬಿತವಾಗಿದೆ. ಭಿನ್ನ ಆಲೋಚನೆ, ಸಂಯುಕ್ತ ಆಲೋಚನೆ, ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ಎರಡು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನವೀನತೆ. 54ನೇ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್, ಕೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಎಂಡ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ securing job in a MNCs. MNC is career goal, professional goal, financial goal, diet fitness goal. 55th question, 55 question, body talk is also known as noise, overflow, leakage, or physical communication. Hope today you went through this personal development questions. That was very easy for you. And I think this will be useful for you to go through this model question paper. In my next video, I'll come with answer. Okay. Thank you for watching. I'm Dr. Pratibha K.A. signing off for today. Stay tuned with me. I'll be back with some more videos. Thank you for being with me and spending your valuable quality time.